Welcome. Thank you for joining us. This video will show you how to use the Wisenet Mobile application for monitoring your Wisenet devices. The Wisenet Mobile application is designed to access real-time monitoring with device management from wherever you are. When you want to see your home or store from outside, simply use your smartphone for remote managing. This application dramatically improves various functions, such as video processing performance, and dwarping view mode live and picture-in-picture search functions as compared to last version. Go to the application store on your iPhone, or Google Play Store, on your Android devices, and search Wisenet Mobile to get the application. Downloads available for both iOS and Android devices. Once the application is installed, open it and tap this button to create your ID and password. There are 3 different methods to register. If you have a device with a QR code, you can simply scan it and type your device ID and password. If your mobile device is using the same Wi-Fi as your Wisenet device, then you can search for the Wisenet device in the application. If your Wisenet device is using the Wisenet DDNS, then just type your device ID and password. After registering your Wisenet device on your smartphone, check the live monitoring. When you would like to see live monitoring, select channels as many as you want to, and tap this button. You can expand channel layouts 1, 4, 9, 16 channels on one screen by clicking this icon. When you double-click on a single channel icon, then you can see a single channel full screen view. It will show different icons, according to camera models. If the camera is PTZ type, then it shows this PTZ control icon. And you can control the camera angle by sliding your finger on the screen, or touching the direction icons on the below. If the camera is fisheye type, then you can do dwarping of the circular image into quad split or panoramic view. All the dwarping view may change, according to the installation angles. This playback button is for checking recorded video. One of the most remarkable feature of this version is that you can monitoring live and playback at the same time. To manage specific channels, you can create the channel list by clicking this My Channel button. For creating a new channel list, you can tap this button. Type the name of this list and select the channels that you want to manage, and click OK button. For searching channel lists, you can tap this button. Type the name, and you can find it by scrolling here. And double-click to watch the channel you choose. You can add, delete or edit the list or the channels here. In case of deleting some channels, please select Channels, and click this bin icon. You can see all motion detection logs from each day. When you find out what you want to keep, then click the bookmark icon, as for your favorite for easy access. When you select an event, from the list of push events received, the application will run, and you can monitor the video. This time bar can go forward and backward, and can be expanded, and zoomed in and out, by 2-finger dragging the timeline. This setting page is for your convenience, to manage this application. To operate the Wisenet mobile tool in safe, we recommend you to set the password. This advanced feature dramatically improves the playback and live monitoring speeds at higher quality, as compared to the previous version. You can set the main screen view here. Once choosing the device live monitoring shortcut, then you can see the shortcut list you choose when you log in this application. Scan the QR code to get the Wisenet mobile application from Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Thank you so much for watching.